welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a really delicious celery side salad. I feel like celery along with dill, which we're not using here, is super underrated. I feel like not a lot of people are cooking with it. Not a lot of people like use it for different things. So I really wanted to share with you a salad that I love. It's delicious, it's easy, it's affordable. So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep on watching. Who's that? Are you being shy? Oh, okay, you want kisses. Oh, you have lipstick on you now. Okay. Want to say hi to our friends? Say hi, everyone. Hello. Oh, thank you, baby.